I'm going to discuss about what is page numbers. Okay, how do we put number pages in our document file? Okay, so usually for our dissertations, our research, and other things, no, for articles, no, how do we put a page number? Okay, so let's make a blank document. Okay, the first thing first is I have to sa itong code na ko gali. Okay, so run. Let's make a example here. So let's make a entire column, no? Okay. So here, the purpose here is, this is the paragraph mark, this one, okay? I'm using this one to indicate if my article is already aligned or not, no? Following this bulleted form, no? This kind of icons, okay? So this type of symbols indicates that your cursor is in this second, okay? Na-indicate siya, this one, okay? So let's create this one, start from here, okay? So, start na dire. Okay. So, for me, this one is used for aligning your ano your articles here, no? Okay, so to make it proper and clear, I'm using these paragraph marks. Okay, so this one, so let's check here. So how do we separate page numbers here? Okay, so we're going to create a header. Okay, so this one, I disregard this one because this one is indicate for this signifies for a page break. Okay, so as you can see here, so let's make example here. This is chapter one. So na-indicate siya diya. So I'm going to use this paragraph mark, no, for to identify if my paragraphs are aligned or not. Okay. So Control E, then Control B for capital letter. Okay. So this one. So this is indicates that I have a space here, no, mga paragraph lines, no. So indicator na siya. So this one is nana siya dot there because it indicates space. Okay. So this is another paragraph, no. Okay, if I'm going to turn off the paragraph marks, let's go to home, then click this icon. Okay, this paragraph mark. Okay, so wala siya. So this one, I'm going to put a page, no, pages. Okay. So last time we're trying to figure out where do we put the page. We're going to delete the page, no. Okay, mga pages. How do we put? So let's start from here, no. To put pages here, no. Let's insert, then footer. Okay, go to footer. Okay. If you want footer, pili the footer. Let's try here. So page number, click this page number here. So bottom of the page. Then let's put it in the center. Okay. So here, it indicates that it automatically puts all the page numbers here. Okay. Okay. So how do we put? Okay. So in research, no, they have the so-called index. Okay. So not tayo mga Roman numerals. Now we're gonna put a Roman numerals use number. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So here, okay, it automatically change all the pages here, no? Automatic siya. So how do we separate here by another symbol so here sa atong page number? Okay, number one is we're going to put a section break or the so-called page break here. So how do we put? So atala, so if you're going to use the kung asa taman, okay? So where do you, if you want to put here where it ends your page number, we're going to change the page number into Roman numerals, okay? So you have to indicate where's the last page that you're going to break, okay? So you're going to use the page break. So here, click this one. Here, double click, okay? So here, double click is to access your header and footer. This one is we're going to put a section break, okay? So let's try. So go to layout, then click the breaks, this one. Then click the next page. So it automatically put a page break. So how do we indicate if the page is a naka-indicate? You have to open the paragraph mark here. This one. This is the paragraph mark. So we're going to check here. No, let's put here to the top. No, okay. It means that your paragraph is been moved. So this indicates that your paragraph moves. No? Gamit ni siya ang paragraph marks. No? So make it concise and concise when putting here the art sa inyong kuan, no? Sa inyong articles, no? So it indicates section page break page, okay? So how do we put this? Okay, so starting from here, from number 1, so ano na pit? Okay. Okay. Okay, so here. Okay, so as a page number. Okay, so nawala ang page number. So let's indicate here. Uh, Sige. So here, so nawala ang page break here. So it's very tricky, no? To find out. Sige. So let's go back from the start again. So let's shortcut, no? Okay, so we should insert here. So header, this one. Let's get the footer. Okay, ubos man ta. Okay. So click here. So type the diri og let's put a page number. Click the format page number then. Okay. So start siya 1. Okay. So okay. So click here about of the page, this one. Then click this one, the center. Kaya then is we're going to page break this third page, no? So okay, it's already page break, okay? So if we're going to change this, okay, so click the page number, then go to format page number, then change it to the Roman numeral. So tama na siya diri sa 3. So bandili siya taman, okay? So it already changed. Okay? Sige. So na-change na nako. Okay? So next step is here is we're going to change here. Okay? So this 4 change here then into 1. So mag-start sa 1 dire. Okay? So page number start from 1, click here from 1, then okay. So automatic siya change yung page. Okay, so there are a lot of questions here, no? Sir, unsa ako ko pagtangtang sa kwan, sir? If we're going to delete this, ma-delete tanan ang yung pages here. Because this is where you end your page break. So dili siya ma-affected diri sa taas. So it won't affect here in your previous work, no? Okay? Affected di siya di ay. Okay? It's going to affected because it's connected tanan. If you're going to delete this, ako yung delete ni siya. Okay? So affected tanan. So how do I do this, no? If I'm going to delete this page, this one, okay? How do I do this? Next is you have to create a page break again, starting from here. Okay? So I'm going to put a page break here at the first page. Example, if I'm going to delete this one, this page 1, ako siya i-delete. If I'm going to delete this, all of the pages are going to, wala siya ma-indicate. So, by deleting this one, it will not affect everything, no? The other documents. So, first thing is, you're going to make a section break, okay? So, click here, layout, then breaks. Then, click the next page. So, automatic siya, display siya dire. So, you have to move it again. So, nag-indicate siya na move siya dito gikan. Okay? So, that is the power of na siya indicator. Okay? Na-move siya. Okay, that's use a paragraph. Next is to delete this one. Saan to siya pagkuhan? Okay? We're going to unlink the previous. Okay. Sige, ato siyang unlink ni. Okay? So, let's try to unlink this. Click this one and unlink. Let's try. Kung ma-delete ba? Okay. So it means napagyapon siya, no? Okay. So to unlink this one, kay connected man siya diri, and this page one here is connected from here, no? This one. So you have to use the unlink again, okay? So i-link na to di ari. Kaya nakalink man siya. Let's try to unlink this. Sige. Let's redo again. Okay? So let's try to put here a page break. This one, okay? So ako ni siyang i-click dire. Kay connected siya dire. So I'm going to erase this one. So I have to use the unlink here. This one, okay? Ako yung delete ni sa taas. This. Then click na ko ni siya. Okay? Then unlink. So let's try to delete this. Kaya nakalink man siya. So let's try. Okay? So wala siya affected. Wala because i-unlink siya sa previous pages. So your other pages are not affected. That's how you do it. Okay? Sa page break ninyo. Dali ra? Okay? Sige. Okay. So napatay 30 minutes. Ay, napatay 35 minutes. So let's proceed. Okay? To another topic again.